They were better than us today. They were stronger, more physical, more ruthless. I think at times we were very naive, and that hasn't happened to us for a long time. But maybe that's a little short, sharp shock that will spark us into life. But I know what our players are like. I know the bunch we got there. They know what's coming next week.
Da ni'n mynd licio colli wrth gwrs, ond mae yna nifer o wersi ac rwan di'r amser i wneud saff bod y gwersi yna'n cael ei dysgu. Ac mi fyddan ni'n gweithio'n galad ar y pethau gwendida yna. Da ni wedi weld hyn yma fel mae pawb wedi weld, ond y bwriad oedd bod ni'n chwarae tîm o safon mwyn i ni fod y gwendida yna yn dod yn amlwg.
In a way, kind of needed it. I think it gives us a whole week to work on shape and improve on areas where we need to work on before the big test. But all the boys got through it, and we've still got our big players fit, and bring on next week.
Sweden yn tîm dda, efo chwaraewyr dda, so oedd o'n bach o test, ond dwi'n meddwl ni'n gallu chwarae'n well o gobeithio ni'n neud o pen wythnos nesaf.
So os oeddech chi'n mynd i gael gêm sâl o yn y gêm gyfeillgar ola, oedd o'n mynd i fod?
Mae rhywbeth positif i edrych arno, ond gobeithio bod hwnna mas o'r ffordd nawr a ni'n gallu canolbwyntio'n llwyr nawr. Ar y gêm, does dim anaf yn y garfan ac mae pawb yn mynd i bod yn barod wythnos nesaf gyda pwynt i roi pawb.
Yeah, well, we didn't want to take a risk with Joe Allen or Joe Ledley. We decided, really, on the way out here, we were debating whether to give them a little bit of game time, but then we thought, what's the point in taking the risk? So Emma got some minutes on the pitch. It was good when we put him on because the tempo would slow down a little bit and he injected a bit of pace into it.
Mae rhaid ni gweithio'n galed wythnos yma nawr. Mae rhaid ni paratoi'n perffaith rili i fod yn barod am y gêm cyntaf.
I'm not going to be too hard on them today. Disappointed, we're all disappointed. It's up to us now to pick them up, build them up, because they've done so well in the last 2 years. And it's all about next weekend, really. We're not going to get any points today. That's going to take us into the tournament. It's all about next weekend. We're disappointed today because we don't want to lose. But next weekend we'll have a good week and we'll be ready for Slovakia next weekend.